Hello, it's Friday the 29th of March. My name's Mike and this is the cover for Caravan's News of the Week. We start off with Casoa. If you have a look at their website or via their Twitter handle, an excellent maintenance list, which is well worth reading. Happy birthday to Bobby from Graham Bell, the Caravan blogger. It's 1 year this week that he's had his Bailey, so happy birthday. Also, a very interesting review from Campsited, 5 walks to blow away the cobwebs, which personally I love walking, certainly worth a read. And also Days Out Reviews have done a book review of Get Your Kids to Eat Anything. Certainly a challenge in this household, but again well worth having a look at. And the Caravan Shorts, they're at 514 YouTube subscribers, which is phenomenal numbers. An excellent review I've read from Nigel Cole, a review of Air. And hot off the presses, the Overnighters have been motorhoming in the Peak District. A number of YouTube videos from them. And also Rolling with the Robsons have done a review of Wooler in Northumberland. Obviously, there is also below you'll find some of the latest government advice on Brexit and regarding your caravans, so by all means do have a look at that. We've had a couple of questions in the office about it, so it's certainly well worth a read. But effectively we are looking at speaking to your car insurers about green cards for your caravans, potentially. Anyway, what else have we got for you? Today is World Piano Day. I wish I could play the piano sometimes. And also in 1959, Some Like It Hot was released in New York, starring Marilyn Monroe, Tony Curtis and Jack Lemmon, and I believe directed by Billy Wilder. Well, have a fantastic weekend, everyone, and we'll see you in April. Thank you.